In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your CapCut user ID step by step on Windows or Mac. This is a super quick tutorial, but it's really useful if you need your ID for account support, troubleshooting, sharing account details, or connecting with other CapCut related services. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, launch the CapCut desktop application on your Windows PC or Mac. Make sure you're opening the desktop version, not the mobile app, because the layout on desktop is where you'll find your user ID most easily. Once CapCut opens, wait for the home dashboard to fully load. Next, check whether you are signed into your account. If you're not logged in yet, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the Sign In option. Log in with the account that you use for CapCut, and wait until the app brings you back to your main dashboard. This step is important because your user ID only appears when you're actively signed into the account. Now, go to the extreme top left corner of the home screen and click on your profile avatar or nickname. This opens your account menu and profile area. Depending on your setup, it may show your profile picture, your display name, or both. Click there once to expand the account details. After that, look directly below your main display name. You should see your CapCut ID listed there as a long string of numbers. This is your unique user ID, and it's the value you're usually looking for if someone asks for your CapCut account identifier. Take a moment to make sure you're copying the correct number and not your display name. To copy it quickly, hover over the ID or click the copy icon next to it if one appears. On some versions, you may simply be able to click the number itself, while on others, there may be a small copy button beside it. Once copied, you can paste it wherever you need it, whether that's in a support ticket, a message, or a setup form. If you don't see the ID right away, double check that you're in the desktop app and that you're signed into the correct account. Also make sure the top left profile menu is fully open because that's where CapCut places the information. In most cases, the ID will be directly underneath your profile name and easy to spot once you know where to look. And that's it. You've now found your CapCut user ID in just a few seconds. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.